Hey, this is what I look like after just finish working out. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I am coming to you this morning straight from my comfort zone, my workout spot. I just finished working out. As you guys can hear, I'm trying to catch my breath. But I decided to come to you this morning raw and real and fresh, directly from just working out. Because today's video is about my 8 months journey since I had Sarah. Many of you have been following me before I became pregnant with Sarah, and you know how I looked before I got pregnant with Sarah. You know what I went through before I got pregnant with Sarah. You know how I looked during pregnancy, and this is me 8 months later. Y'all know that this journey haven't been peaches and cream, chocolate and vanilla and all those lovely things. It's been a journey, it's been a struggle, but sheer determination that is in me allowed me to accomplish what I've accomplished thus far. And of course the princess is just beside me. She wants in on the video. Hello girl, you gonna come? Okay, so what I wanted to talk to you guys about is my 8 months postpartum journey. So I'll be doing that just now. So of course today my girl is 8 months old. All of 8 months big. Where has time gone? Time is just going by so fast. It's crazy. I can't believe Sarah is 8 months old already. Here she is. Here she is. Say hello. Say hi. We dropped Tyler to school this morning. If you guys are new to my channel and don't know who Tyler is my four-year-old son. And when I drop him to school in the morning, I don't take her out her warm outfit. I put her in her chair and I go straight to workout. That's the only way I get workout in. And funny enough, that is a method that recently started working for me, why I'll be able to get a max out 1 hour workout, because leading straight up to this point since January when I started working out consistently, workout has been a struggle. Sometimes I get 15 minutes, sometimes I get 20 minutes, sometimes I'm lucky if I get 30 minutes. But what I never did was I never gave up. I took every minute she gave me and I try to study her pattern, study her method and see what works. If I try putting her somewhere while I'm working out and it doesn't work, I'll try something new. So what I keep doing is that I keep trying to see what works for me until I finally know at 8 months old, finally find something that works. And that is when I drop my son at school. She's the quietest in the morning, she's the calmest in the morning. So it's best for me to put her in her swing chair and work out immediately. And trust me, that has been working for me and it's going really well. Okay, so first, what do you want first? My postpartum or Sarah update? So first, let me give you mine since I'm already into it. I have been doing a series of different things to keep fit, stay healthy and try to get my body back. Not that I'm in any hurry, but for me this is a lifestyle. Even after my body is back, I'll be working out every day the very same, because that's just who I am. For who trying to also get your body back, this is also for you. What I do first thing in the morning when I wake up to start my fitness routine is that I have a tall glass of green juice, and my green juices consist of celery, apple, ginger and cucumber. And I have that every morning. I think everything that you do in your routine counts and it matters to get your result. So that's what I do in the morning, is I have a glass of green juice and then I'll have my lunch. So my green juice is basically my breakfast, because by the time I finish workout and look after Sarah, it is midday, so it's time for lunch. And for lunch, just to give you guys an example, I'll have a salad. I'll have a salad of chicken with probably lettuce, tomatoes, or carrots and corn. That's as simple as it gets. I don't always do something fancy. I just always have a salad. So I'll have a salad for lunch, and then between lunch and dinner, I probably have 2 or 3 boiled eggs. And then for dinner, I'll have, for example, just to give you one example of what my dinner might look like, I might have quinoa and a piece of fish or a piece of salmon and some veggies, whichever veggies I decide. Salad, raw veggies or steamed veggies or cooked veggies, whichever you want to call it. But yeah, that's what my day is like. And then that routine starts over for the next day. So that's basically how I eat and how I do my routine. And I've been consistently working out. When I say consistently working out since January, I mean I have 1 day minimum in the week and 3 days maximum. 1 day minimum and 5 days maximum. I always try to get my weekend rest, but if I don't get 3 days in the week, I'll snatch one of the weekend days. So that's how my routine will go. And my routine with working out in the mornings, I'll insert a clip of what I do, for example, what I do, and show you. So you'll see this, you'll see that after this right now. Example of some of the things that I do. If you want to see more of how I work out, then you watch my daily vlogs. I always insert my workouts within the vlogs, and you'll see an example of the different routines that I do when I work out. Also follow me on Instagram of _Delaveaus. I do stories of my workout almost every morning when I work out, so you guys can get a first-hand view of how my workout is. Now I'm gonna show you what my body looks like. I'm gonna go fresh and come back with Sarah's 8 months update, and we're gonna take our 8 months photos of her. Right? That's all she does. Jump. Alright, let me show you guys what my body looks like. This is me right now at 8 months postpartum. What you guys should know is that in the beginning of when I just had Sarah, I used to, before I started working out, I used to weight train. I used to wear the postpartum belt. But girl, I have no time for it. I keep forgetting. So basically, I stopped using that at about four months. About when she turned 4 months, I stopped using it because I keep forgetting to put it on each morning. So my workout routine with this belt that I'm in, this is actually a sweet sweat belt that I have long before I had Sarah, that I love to use. So this belt is just a sweat belt that comes with a cream. It's a sweet sweat belt, and I use a sweet sweat cream. I buy this on Amazon. You can just go type in sweet sweat body trimmer or sweet sweat belt, and you can find this is what it looks like, and it comes with a cream. And what I do is rub the cream on my stomach each morning and then put this belt on. And you can also wear this belt throughout the day if you want with the cream. It burns the fat even just walking and not even running. So hey, this is what I look like after just finish working out. Let me give you guys a close-up. And you guys can see my abs literally coming back in. So yeah, this is 8 months after having baby girl. There you go. And it's a work in progress for me. I have a long way to go, y'all. I have a long way to go, but I'm so proud of myself to see how far I've come. So yeah, this is my body 8 months after having my girl. So yeah, I'm gonna go get fresh right now and jump into Sarah's update. You guys, I'm gonna attempt to try and take her pictures right now. It's gonna be a task, but let's see. You're 8 months old, my pumpkin. My pumpkin. My pumpkin. My pumpkin. You're 8 months old, my pumpkin. You remember? Let's put on a little slippers on you. Hey, princess, you're in a slippers. Titty, 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 titty. You're so funny. She love when I tickle her foot bottom. You're so funny. I see you. Peekaboo. 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 The things, the mother. The things we do to catch the pictures, girl. Oh my God, but I think mission accomplished. Yeah, you did it. Mwah! My little rainbow girl. You did it. You did it. No, you did it. You did it. Good job, Sarah. Okay, you guys, so I am back to finish up this video. So like I said, today my girl is all of 8 months old. And the update for her for this month is that she is standing and letting go, but when she catches herself let go, she just fall on her butt. But she stands very well on her own, holding on, 1 hand, 2 hand, as you wish. She also will stand on like the couch here and hold on and walk to the end of the couch and then walk back all by herself. So she's in that phase, as you guys can see what's happening right now, if you guys can see her. She's standing up and holding on to her bed all by herself. So that's where she is right now with her strength. She is now saying Papa, and she's now saying Tyler. She said Mama once a few months ago and it never come back. So we're still waiting for the mama to come around. As far as her eating goes, she still breastfeeds. I still breastfeed. She breastfeed every morning when she wake up. So she have breakfast as boobies, and then we proceed to about 7 o'clock, and then she'll have some orange juice, freshly squeezed orange juice at about 10, and she'll go down for a morning nap about 10:30 if she don't nap while I'm working out. If she nap while I'm working out, then she won't go for another morning nap. But if she doesn't, then she go for a morning nap about 10:30. Then she have lunch at 11:30 going on 12, and for lunch she have food that I cook, and that could be, for example, a mixture of broccoli, broccoli, carrot, fish or chicken, potato, mostly vegetable though. And then she will go down for a nap about 2 o'clock to 2:30, and she will have snack at 4 p.m. which is a bottle of milk. She'll have about 8 ounces, and then she won't eat again until 7:30 going on 8 p.m. She'll have dinner, and dinner will be anything that I made for her, mostly veggies without protein this time, so no meat. And the reason why we don't give her meat before bed is because the meat is harder to digest. So the doctor, her pediatrician, recommend that we give her the protein, the meat, during lunch hour and not at dinner hour. So at the moment she's having like potatoes or something, or pumpkin, or you name it, whatever mixture of vegetable. So she'll have that for dinner, and then she'll go down for bed at 8, and she'll wake up for a bottle at midnight going on 1. At midnight going on 1 she'll wake for a bottle, and then she'll go back to sleep. She doesn't stay up when she wake up. She go back to sleep, and then she'll wake up for breakfast. So she only wake one time really now in the night. So she's becoming a big girl, and she's so active. She's so busy. She stay active whenever she's awake. As you guys can see, she's up. And she's on the go. She's on the go. Now all I'm saying around the house, Sarah, no. Sarah, don't touch that. Sarah, leave it. But of course her brother is still her #1 fan. She adores her brother. She loves when he goofs around and plays with her. She adores her papa. She's a complete papa's girl. And she loves her mama. She have a time when all she wants is just mama and nothing and nobody else. So yeah, that's it for Sarah's 8-month update. And as far as my postpartum goes, with the exercises that you see, you can always modify the exercises to utilize whatever you have around the house. If you can't run like I do, then skip. If you don't have rope to skip, then pretend skip. If you don't want to do that, then jump. But do something. If you don't have the equipments that I use, utilize what you have around your house and make it work. And this is not just for postpartum mamas, it's also for anybody who wants to lose weight. But do what works for you, especially with your baby. Do what works for you in terms of make sure that you get in your workout in, and make sure that you get things done around the house. You see her? Almost 10:30. It's time for nap. She's rubbing her eyes. She's a clockwork. She's always on time and ready to go. Right? Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little update of Sarah and Mama. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the Fam Bam. You guys will see Tyler and Babe today, but of course we resume with the boys in the next video. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. Bye. No? Nothing? Before I go, last night I have a really rough night because her teething is on 100. No teeth yet, but she's teething like crazy. She cried last night. I had to keep her in my bed with me. But otherwise from that, Your girl is all big and grown and turning into a big girl.